Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best wood-burning fire pits on Amazon. Wood-burning fire pits enhance your outdoor space with the natural warmth, captivating flames, and cozy ambience of traditional wood-burning fire pits. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Yahetic Wood-Burning Fire Pit. The Yahetic wood-burning fire pit is an ideal pick for any homeowner looking to transform their backyard into a relaxing oasis. This square-shaped, premium steel fire pit is solid and durable. Its white edge provides ample room to hold plates, sauces, brushes, and other BBQ supplies. The unit has a multifunctional 3-in-1 design and can be used as a fire pit, cooking grill, or beverage cooler. The product comes complete with a removable top cover, safety log poker, spark screen, protective cover made of weather-resistant PVC, and the necessary assembly hardware. All parts are easy to assemble and compact for easy portability, allowing you to take your fire pit with you on camping trips or to a friend's house. What we like about it: easy to assemble, versatile, triple-function design, hassle-free, simple maintenance. What we don't like about it: doesn't come with a cooking grate. Number 2. Bali Outdoors Wood-Burning Fire Pit. The Bali Outdoors Wood-Burning Fire Pit is the perfect choice for outdoor entertaining. This multifunctional product features a 360-degree swiveling grill with an adjustable height. When the grill is removed, the unit also functions as a fire pit. Its sturdy steel construction ensures long-lasting use, and the outer ledge surrounding the fire bowl allows convenient access to drinks and grilling supplies. The ledge doubles as a safety feature, keeping children away from the flames. The package comes complete with a log rack and a poker. The cooking surface is made from food-grade materials and is compliant with FDA food safety standards, giving you peace of mind while enjoying your meal outdoors. What we like about it: durable steel construction, sleek, modern aesthetic, features a removable cooking grill. What we don't like about it: the grill handle gets hot. Number 3. Sunnights Wood-Burning Fire Pit. The Sunnights Wood-Burning Fire Pit is the perfect addition to any backyard or patio. It's sized perfectly for large gatherings, making it an ideal pick for entertaining family and friends. It's constructed from heavy-duty 1.7mm steel and is finished with black high-temperature enamel for optimal rust resistance and durability. The cross-weave pattern gives this fire pit an elegant look that'll complement any outdoor setting. The product comes complete with a spark screen, weather-resistant round cover, wood-burning grate, and poker tool, making it an ideal package for any outdoor enthusiast. Assembly is quick and easy. Simply attach the 3 legs and outer rim, and you're good to go. What we like about it: lightweight and easy to transport. Large 31-inch fire bowl for bigger fires. Easy to assemble with clear instructions. What we don't like about it: pricier than comparable products. Number 4. Pleasant Hearth Wood-Burning Fire Pit. The Pleasant Hearth Wood-Burning Fire Pit is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. With a uniquely designed 26-inch deep bowl, it promises to provide plenty of room for a cozy fire you can enjoy with family and friends. Its gorgeous bronze finish gives it an antique aesthetic, and since it weighs less than 25 pounds, it's easy to lift and move. The fire pit comes with a mesh cover to help reduce the number of sparks that escape from the fire for optimal safety. Its built-in circular system allows for more airflow, which means bigger flames and more consistent fire. Plus, the chrome-plated cooking grid allows you to BBQ over the fire. To top it off, this product even comes with a poker for safely lifting the spark guard and tending the fire. What we like about it: holds a large amount of wood or charcoal. Cooking grate included. Sturdy and stable for tip prevention. What we don't like about it: no additional colors or sizes are available. Number 5. Zeny Wood-Burning Fire Pit. The Zeny Wood-Burning Fire Pit is an ideal choice for anyone who's looking for a classic-style fire pit with a lot of functionality. Its faux stone pattern, square shape, and polished finish will look great in any garden or backyard. With its 3-in-1 design, this product provides a lot of options. Not only does it offer warmth and visual appeal, but you can also use it for barbecuing and cooling beverages and food. What we like about it. Also functions as a grill and cooler. Comes with a food grill and cover. Perfect size for small backyards. What we don't like about it. The cover can be difficult to put on. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.